Malolele and welcome
to Kumi Fonua, a platform focused
on highlighting our grandparents' journey
from Tonga to New Zealand.
Ko hoku hingoa ko Filomena lolohea ka toke,
Ezekiel,
Fetongi tatuila,
Hezekiah,
Filomonua, Aholele.
No one's quite sure just how many Pacific Islanders arrive in New Zealand every year. Surprisingly, the Departments of Immigration, Statistics and Island Affairs were unable to give us an accurate figure. But it seems a reasonable estimate would be that so far this year, about 9,000 islanders have arrived in this country, the vast majority of them on 3-month work permits. The number of islanders now living permanently in New Zealand is believed to be about 60,000, of which 40,000 are in Auckland. Every plane arriving at Auckland has its full quota of new arrivals. Wide-eyed and a little bewildered, they have very little idea of what to expect here. Many speak only limited English, have no experience of urban life, and carry most of their worldly possessions with them.
Me he walu noa ki he walu ono. Nai toki mau ai e mau pepa no fofonua. Ko osfa ere a Soani, Cecilia, e a Mosio Yakimi. Ko e walu ono ia mau e mau pepa no fofonua e New Zealand. Pea mawhakaukau lewa ke kamata hono whetuku mai ho ma whamiri me tonga koe uhi, koe taumu aia na e whai ai whinga mai ke whonuani. Na kamata lewa ke o mai e whamiri mi hok ta whaaki na o mai hok tunga ane lahi ko vi kena ia. E kia ki mauhoa na e toki hao peo toki mauhoa no silani. Koe tau koe hono hoko na e o mai lewa e toko taha me whamiri o RCV o wakatau aho ia ko si ia RCV na hoko hono o mai. Pe i hoko tau kotoa pe na e lava mai ai e toko taha me hoko whamiri pea pe he foke whamiri RCV. Ko ta whaaki o oku hoko whamiri o mai ai a sini pea mo tarite. Ko ia, ko ngā uia a RCV, ko whaingai apply e nau e panofo whonua i whonuani. Na mau whunof toko lahi au peto i ho mau ki api, pea na e maari peto ko taha pea ma vahe atu. Taimi ko ni he walu ono, walu fitu na e whima uai e pātele, ke whakotu e community Tonga i North Shore, e ne hanga tau he a Katolika Tonga i North Shore. Pea koe tahaya e ne ngā ue mau inga na e whai, e mau koe e ne mau no whonua, na e ne apalai ai ngahi, pepa no whonua ai kakai toko lai. Na i kai ke ngata pe i he whamiri, e ne hanga toko ni i, kada ne tō toko ni i whoki, pea moe whenga no whonua ai ngahi kakai toko lai, i he community. Pena i kai whoki ne eke ha totongi, ke te nau tolu, na ni ngā ue ofa pe, i he kakai koe ni. Ko nau tolu pe nau totongi ki he nau, apply koe nau pepa, kana i kai ke nau totongi a taimi, na i ngā ue ki ai a ho o papa, ke toko ni ai family.
Tell me about your time in Wellington and the dawn raids.
Kuna way of wearing at Tony, it was the happiest time of my life. Henake, we were happy and we all stayed together, about 7, 8 of us, girls. We stay here api tapo o I Apahat, Silver Stream. Na e na mauno fuai ko e toko ni I he kau tapo o na toko ngai e kau whanau di e kina pa mo e kau patient ko kau elderly pea na mau nofo ai fia apita mau nofo pe na mau even though na mau mai me he ngai family ke he Tonga me ngai kolo ke ka na mau mai pe o ngawe ko nga hange pe family taha pe na mau ngawe ai o tokon ke kau tapo o e andai he tau sisa Tonga pea maloto e mau nofo I weringa toni pea mahoka fo I patu tama ki koni hono tapuang mo kau kanongo mo e kuri I koni e whai o kalanini pea holangia e kau tonga whaianga e nau hola wan ki weringa toni pe nau tawe nau ange na mau tokolahi pe weringa toni pena ia e anofu anga kemi o mai tamai ka pure anga o akona na no mai me lo hat pena no I lo mai reva ma no I apahat pena o me he sapate ko to pe o mai he to naki pe ko falaite na o ang e nau fo ke mau fo me api ko e ka tapo o pena e fe to kone ka tapo o na fia e mau me na fai fa e nau fo pe au ke to sapate pena o ang re ave ta ko tapo o fe tu mai me kai mo me a ke fafanga na o ngare vai ko mau dining room o na ke fainga ko nei ngawe ma fano o lunga ke hiva himi he sapate pa mau manatu re wakitonga ka hanga ka tapo o kuki mai ai me atoko ni me he nau peito mo me a o mau fafanga ke kakai na e wang pe tamai ki na e mo wa ko e pure angana na ka wang ai ka most of them ko wang ko tau wang ko holang me o kala ni na I lo pe ka tapo o na na fia ke na wanga o mai me atoko ni ke fafanga ka kai ko ia I he wang he sapati ko tope o hangai ha mau ki tau hi mau ia ko mau ki foi ngā we ko ia pe office apate e tau ia am ke pe ta ka tapo ke fai ha kuki ki tari ake ai o mai e kau tangata mo me a o fai e nau o ange pe o e vange mo anga hiva mo fai e mau lotu skapa mau kai mo mau tala no pe hange pe ha foi family taha e mau fia he na mau iloi ko nau si holange ko nga ko fata patu ta maki ko ni na e hoko he time ko ia.
He was one of the leaders of the Catholic Church in Auckland. You know, at a time where migration, lots and lots of Tongans were coming in, and we needed a bit of stability within the Catholic community and things like that. So he and a number of other different people, older people, were very, very good at building up our community and keeping us very much together. But that was him, that was his life.
Can you share with us the reason behind why and how you came to New Zealand?
How we came on a plane. Is that what you mean? No, I know what you mean. Yeah, I remember hearing my dad saying we were, he didn't know whether we were going to do well at school or we were not going to do very well. And he knew that if you weren't good at school, it would be hard for you to find work in Tonga, to find a job. And if you did find a job, the pay would be very, very poor. If you got married and had children, it'll be really, really difficult to support a family in Tonga. So the idea was, better get the children to New Zealand. They can go and study, and if they're not good at school, then at least they can find a job, look after themselves and their family. But that's not an unusual story. That story is about the same for all the Pacific people that came here, usually always for the same reason, for better opportunities for the family, especially the children at that time.
Ko tua ku pule me ata pe. Pa ko te ko ye me ata pe. E do ni ita. Pa inga me me ya pio. Te ngau be ngai nei. Ai te ka. Ame mai ngai. Hira e mea ko rea ki wa tu iai. Ko mea ko tau moe he noto. Tau pupu ka mea ko rea ei. Ai mea ko whamai au ma. Ngā au whai noto. E tau tui ma o pe e tutunya e te rapu mo e tau. Mui mui iai. O e tau moi lei. Pao e vea o mai e ko ai ke kai ngā ma mai ma mo o mai ai ma to o roi mai ai me ai ma ko e ai pa
Talanoa Kumi Fonua mai ki Nusilani. Can you share with us the reason behind why and how you came to New Zealand?
Koe uta mai, koe muri. Nai whaere I ai Nusila. Pea mano matoi Tonga kai ha. Tamai te waru ki heo peinga. Ki lava te tau o ki Nusila. Nā kai ata e te ha. Kulata mi matoi Tonga. Tamai tangata ki. Tau o pita tōru. Ka pai mau e tau no fonu, o mou no fonu. Te mora moto au ki Tonga. Ha? Pa mau whai gene lau.
Talanoa ki he whainga taa mo e whainga malie na ake a usia. Do you remember any struggles that you faced when you came to New Zealand? Can you tell us what opportunities you received when you came to New Zealand?
Nau hau mi Tonga ka ki puto rea whaparangi. O hau ngā au, koe taim whenga taa. Nui lalo me ngui papatoa. Ma oe pasi ngau he ono, kamata ono. Ma oe hawhe ono, ai pasi. O ualo e ki ngau. Pe tuko e ngau, whatam ni, ko lue lalo mai mi penglosi ki whewa. O tahu, tō tari ha pasi ai, puhare e lue. O hau hifo mito moa, o toki lue ai, o mau aki. He taimi ki he taimi ke taimi. Whai atu, ko iai me arere. Ko tuko ngoi ko whie maari. He ko taimi a koe alu, te tau e uha, mo moko. Te alu peke ngāwe. E ku whenga peke alu. Ko ngoi taimi ni ko whie maari. Tau a tāina, e ku ngāwe mo mea kato. Lava re repe mea koto toa, na whie alai pea. Na whainga tā ia, kui heni, hau be koe taimi mo mea, mo maheni mo mea, tau whie alahi pea, ngāwe mai paanga, ua pe mau ka venga, osi, whawhowhega te apa, sai ai pea, ko ia pe.